Balloon English. What are we doing today?
Let's go on a picnic. It's great weather outside. Look. Oh, it's raining. Illa, this is our barbecue set for today.
What?
Oh. Ta-da!
Let's play!
Let's cook!
Let's cook!
Let's cook! Would you please explain, my friends, what the ingredients we have today?
We have fish, hot dogs.
hot dogs. It looks like carrot, but
It's a hot dog.
It's an hot dog. Whatever you say.
Broccoli,
mushrooms, my favorite.
pepper.
Oh, this is tomato. Sorry.
Yep, that's
tomato. Corn.
And a chicken leg. And the tomato.
And the oh, this is chicken and the tomato. How do you do it? We spin it. We take a turn and we spin this, and whatever the ingredient that it shows, then we put it up.
Oh, you put it on the grill?
Put it on the grill.
Okay.
And then it pops at one point.
Pop!
And then we eat.
Don't eat.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Let's go. Who will go first?
Who will go first?
Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Who are you talking to?
Oh, I'm talking to you. Sorry. So rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, I lost. So should I go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right?
Guys, are you ready? I'm spinning this. Spinning.
Corn.
Corn. Popcorn. I love corn. Okay.
Wait. I have an idea.
An idea? What?
Instead of doing it with your hand, use your mouth.
Really?
Yeah.
With my mouth? How could you pick it up? Okay, whatever. I try. 아까 이게 아까 하하.
Like that.
Like that. Like that. Okay, it's
Also-
your turn.
Also,
Oh, also. What?
also, if it pops, you lose.
You lose. You're going down.
You lose.
You lose.
All right,
Okay, I did one.
my turn.
Your turn.
I'm nervous.
Tomato. Oh.
I need the chicken.
A chicken leg.
I'm gonna move the chicken over here.
Okay, chicken over here. Ooh. This is so scary.
I
But
lost.
guys, I won.
Jay wins.
Okay.
Uncle Jay wins.
This time I won. So let's pick a turn again.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's
rock,
go.
paper, scissors. Ready?
Right.
Rock, paper,
paper,
scissors.
scissors.
Oh, we're tied.
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 Rock, paper, scissors. Last time. Rock, paper, scissors.
What?
Rock, paper, scissors. Yes, I won. Your turn.
Okay. Wait, I need to spin first.
Spin, spin, spin. Tomato.
No, broccoli.
Broccoli.
Broccoli is green.
Broccoli.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, broccoli. Broccoli right there.
No!
Two broccolis.
It's too hard.
Which one? Two broccolis. Whoa! Yes! I won! Again! Woohoo!
Ah!
Stupid chicken.
Stupid chicken.
Chicken is my favorite food. Don't ignore my chicken. So, Illa, since I kept winning, guys, I'm doing Illa a favor. Illaimo a favor.
really?
Favor.
A favor?
A favor.
What kind of favor?
What kind of favor? Okay, the other way around. We spin this, and whatever the ingredient it comes out, you take it down.
You take it off
You take it off.
with your mouth?
Whatever, because I'm gonna win again.
Okay, you go first.
Sure. Oh, okay. I go first, guys. Oh, mushroom.
It's far. Wait.
Oh.
Wait. Wait. The button's not on.
Oh,
Yeah.
the buttons.
You need to put the button on.
Okay. I lost. But this time, with your elephant nose, like this, and take it off.
You go first.
Okay.
That's quieter.
Okay, whatever.
That was
I'm gonna spin.
It's corn.
It's corn again. It's corn again. So like, elephant nose.
Yeah.
Pick up the corn.
Look at the corn.
Pick up the corn. Alright. Take it off. Guys, she's really bad at this game. Like, when could we really eat LA Garby? Oh, she dropped it, but she did it. So it's my turn.
I did it!
It's my turn.
Oh, fish coming down! Fish coming down! Somebody, fish coming down! Down! Fish! Fish going down!
Whoa! It's going down. Broccoli going down. Broccoli. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You lost. I win.
I lost. Chicken.
Tomato.
Chicken.
Tomato.
Chicken. Tomato. Chicken.
Tomato.
Chicken.
Tomato.
Chicken.
Tomato.
Chicken.
Tomato.
Okay, guys, did you guys have fun today?
Did you?
Did
have
you?
fun? I had fun.
I'm really hungry right now. I need to go eat real LA Garby.
Real food.
Real food. Real Garby. Let's go. Let's go, Eli. Let's go eat.
Let's go eat.
Oh, Eli, I forgot something.
What? What?
What? Bye-bye.
See you next time.
See you next time. Ballin'.
Ballin'.
Chicken ballin'.
Tomato balloon.
Corn ballin'.
Pepper balloon. Broccoli balloon.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Today we use the words win and lose. For example, when you play rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Win, lose. Win, lose. Rock, paper, scissors. Lose, win. Lose, win. When you play a game with friends, you take turns. Rock, paper, scissors. I win. It's my turn. Now it's your turn. Now it's my turn. I win! I win! Yeah! Please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Balloon English!